June 17th of the year 1832, William Crookes was the first of 16 children and came to have 10 of his own later on with his wife, Mary.
It's pointing at the sky. Crookes came from a pretty wealthy family. His father was a tailor and he was able to attend the Royal College of Chemistry in his hometown of London. In 1859, Crookes founded the Chemical News, where he gossiped about science ongoings and continued funding it his entire life.
Now fast forward to 1861. Crookes discovered the element of thallium and continued conducting research on it until 1873, where he ended up finding its atomic mass. This was also the year he invented the radiometer. It was able to measure radiant energy.
Now skip forward to 1879. This is where it gets important. Crookes took a leap with his research and began a new experiment, the Crookes tube. Crookes sent an electric current through a closed tube containing gas and studied the effects. He suggested that the tube was filled with matter in what he called the fourth state. This pretty much summarizes as the mean free path of the molecules is so large that collisions between them can be ignored.
When you don't use that scope.
Can we leave that in the video?
That part?
Yeah.
Alright. Another achievement. In 1897, Crookes was knighted and had officially become Sir William Crookes. Now fast forward a little more to 1903. The spinthariscope comes into the picture. Crookes invented this device that helped to detect nuclear disintegrations caused by interaction of ionizing radiation with the phosphor or scintillator.
Or we can just say it helped with the study of alpha particles.
Whatever floats your boat.
Anyways, he also became an expert in sanitation and devoted 4 years of his life to psychic phenomena. But here is where it gets depressing. His wife died in 1917 and he passed away soon after in 1919 on April 4th. He passed away in the same place of his birth, London. That is pretty depressing. He never got out.
Yeah. Okay, now let's go back and see the big pictures again. Birth, thallium, radiometer, Crookes tube, spinthariscope,